Hey everybody, I'm giving these 3 bikes away and there's absolutely no reason why I can't give one of them to you. Let's face it, 2020 hasn't been our favorite year. A lot of it has kind of sucked because of COVID. So let's end 2020 with a bang and let's get one of these 3 dirt bikes in your garage. So how does this whole thing work? You head over to dirtbikechannel.com between October 15th and December 15th, and every purchase you make over there qualifies you and gives you entries into the sweepstakes for these bikes. Every product I have over there has an entry kind of listed with it. Maybe it's a shirt, maybe it's a hat, maybe it's a hoodie, maybe it's tie downs, maybe it's toe straps. Every single one of those items has an associated number of entries that go with it that get you entered in to win these bikes. We've got great gift ideas over there if you're looking for somebody for a Christmas gift, and you will actually be entering them or you into winning one of these dirt bikes as well. So wouldn't that be cool if you got some swag for somebody, but you also ended up picking up a dirt bike for Christmas? How cool would that be? So I get the question all the time, like, how many people enter these sweepstakes? Well, according to my Google Analytics, less than 1% of the people who watch my videos actually enter these sweepstakes. So you kind of have to ask yourself, are you that 1% that's watching these videos and then entering? I mean, the chances are pretty dang good that you're going to win something because we're giving away 3 dirt bikes. Just, I mean, think about that, less than 1%. I kind of laughed when I saw that looking at my Google Analytics. Let's talk about the bikes up for grabs this time. We've got the amazing 2020 KTM 300 XC-W TPI. This is my favorite 300 that I've ever had. This bike is absolutely incredible and dialed. We also have the Sherco, the 2020 Sherco 300 SEF Factory. This is probably the best single track 4-stroke bike that I have ever ridden. It actually comes with spark arrested with the Akrapovic exhaust, and it comes factory installed with a radiator fan. This bike is ready to go for you. Last, I've got the KTM 250 XC TPI, and if I'm going to pick one bike that I have to have throughout the entire year, it's probably this bike. This is amazing. So I've got 2 of my favorite bikes ever that I've ever ridden before here in the sweepstakes, and I've got this also amazing Sherco 300 SEF Factory that is probably the best 4-stroke single track bike that I've ever ridden. That's what we're giving away this time. Pretty amazing. Something to keep in mind is that every sweepstakes I do has to pay for the next one. So this sweepstakes is going to be paying for the next dirt bikes that I review, and so on and so forth. The last sweepstakes we had paid for these bikes, and now after a full review on these bikes, then I give them away to you. So it's a way that I'm perpetuating this business model. I'm not getting rich, I'm not buying a house on in Malibu or anything like that. But it is allowing us, me and my family, to do this, to do bike reviews, and to give away late model dirt bikes to everybody and not lose my shirt on the whole deal. So it's kind of a win-win for everyone. After the sweepstakes closes, my promotion administrator, Sweepstakes Pros, will then do a random sampling of all the entries and give us 10 finalists. Once we've got those 10 finalists, we will do a drawing live on Facebook and on YouTube like we've done in the past to see who actually wins these dirt bikes. It is so awesome to be able to go out and meet some of the people. Sometimes we have to ship the bikes, but if it's close enough, then I can come and deliver the bikes to you guys, and it's just an awesome time. So what are you waiting for? Do you want to win one of these bikes? So head over to dirtbikechannel.com right now to get entered. No purchase is necessary. You can view all the official rules at my website, dirtbikechannel.com, and you can get entered there. The only question I have is, what are you waiting for?